we are covering state guarantee associations for the property and casualty exam. Think of the State Guaranty Association as a safety net for insurance policyholders. Its primary purpose is to protect you if your insurance company becomes insolvent and is unable to pay its claims. When a court declares an insurer insolvent, the Guarantee Association in that state steps in to pay the covered claims of that failed company's policyholders. This prevents catastrophic financial losses for individuals and businesses. The association is funded by assessing all the other solvent insurance companies that write the same type of business in that state. So, if a property insurer fails, all other property insurers in the state will be assessed to raise the funds needed to pay the failed company's claims. It's a critical point for the exam to know that taxpayers do not fund these associations. Now, this protection is not unlimited. The exam will expect you to know that there are statutory limits on what the association will pay. While the specific amounts vary by state, a common figure tested for property and casualty claims is up to $300,000 per covered claim. It may also cover a limited amount of unearned premium, often up to $10,000. The key takeaway is that coverage is subject to a cap. The single most important concept regarding guarantee associations tested on the exam is the rule against using them as a sales tool. It is an unfair and prohibited trade practice for any producer or insurer to advertise or mention the existence of the Guarantee Association as an inducement to purchase a policy. The reason for this rule is to force consumers to select an insurer based on its own financial strength and service, not on the promise of a bailout. Mentioning the association could create a false sense of security, encouraging people to buy from financially weak companies simply because they are cheap. The exam will test this with scenario questions where an agent tries to reassure a nervous client by mentioning this protection. That action is always illegal. A great way to remember this is, the guarantee is a safety net, not a sales net. Its existence is for emergencies only and must never be part of the sales pitch. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.